Good morning guys, welcome back dear students. Today I will discuss with you some important topic related to chapter is of share. Dear students, the topic our substitution forfeiture of shares, and in board exam one question for 8 marks comes from this topic. So let's start with this topic. From your book it's your 54 question. A limited company invite application for 50,000 equity share of 10 each payable as follow. A limited invite application 50,000 share of 10 each at to be 10 each at follow upon application 3, on allotment 4, on first call 2, and on final call balance means ₹1. Application were received for 70,000 share and allotment was made as follow. Applied, issued. Application received for 70,000 for 10,000 shares, 10,000. For 60,000 shares, if a person applied for 60,000 shares, then you issue allotted share. Allotted share 40,000. Excess application money paid on application was utilized towards allotment. A shareholder who was allotted 1,000 share out of group applying for 60,000 share failed to pay allotment money and money given calls. One shareholder who allotted 1,000 share in group 60,000. In this group relate that person failed to pay allotment money and call money. Dear students, यही एक important point है कि यहाँ पर उसे प्रोरेटा allotment हो रहा है और वो so if prorata allotment हो रहा है then we will use excess application money on allotment and that person does not pay allotment, then how will calculate what amount of allotment will be received and what amount he will not pay for the allotment first and final call. This is the most important topic. These shares were forfeited. 600 forfeited shares were issued as fully paid on receipt of 8 per share. Dear students, first of all I will start the question and prepare case book. In this question, case book is also made. Then first of all I will create case book. Case book. Case book. Date are not given. Then only 4 column will create a debit, particular, rupees, particular, rupees, credit. Dear students, first of all, I will calculate what amount of the allotment will be received. 10,000 shares, applied for 10,000, allotted 10,000. No excess application, then application money. Excess application 0, then application money will be 3, that is 0. Allotted share multiplied by allotment money 40,000. Third or fourth, whichever is less. Here third is less. Or fourth minus fifth, result 40,000. Now 60,000 shares, allotted 40,000 shares, excess application 20,000, money multiplied by 3, 60,000. Allotted share 40,000 multiplied by 4, 160. Third or fourth, whichever is less, 60. Fourth minus fifth, 1 lakh. That's the amount. Column fifth, it is the amount. Excess application which used for the allotment. It is used for the allotment. One shareholder who allot 1,000 share failed to pay allotment and call money. Belong to it, then first of all we will calculate what amount will not paid by the debt shareholder for allotment. What amount allotment he will not pay. Allotted 1,000. First of all for table we will calculate applied. 60,000 share allotted 40,000. Allotted 1,000, then applied will be, let's suppose x by cross multiply by 40,000 multiplied by x, 60,000 multiplied by 1,000, x divided by 40,000, result 1,500. 1,500. Excess application 500, money 3, 1,500. Allotted share multiplied by allotment money 4, 4,000. Third or fourth whichever is less, 1,500, 2,500. That amount will be not paid by the shareholder for allotment. Your allotment money received 1,37,500. Your allotment money received by 1,37,500. Now, come on the journal entry. First entry, bank account debit to share application. Because call cash book are made, then this entry will be treated in the cash book to share application account. 70,000 into 3, 2,10,000. Application money transfer to capital share application account debit. Dear student, due to the space problems, I will use some short step. 2,10,000 to share capital account. 50,000 share will be issued and on one share application 3, 1,50,000. Some part of allotment application used on allotment, that is 60,000 to share allotment account. 60,000. Dear student, due to the space problem, I will not write the narration. Next, allotment money due. Share allotment account debit. On one share allotment 4, on 50,000 2 lakh. To share capital account. What amount for allotment will be received? That is 1,37,500. Then your entry, bank account debit to share allotment, because cash book are paid, bank entry will not be passed. To share allotment account. 1,37,500. Now first call will due. Share first call account debit to share capital account. On one share 2, on 50,000 1 lakh. Now 1,000 share does not pay the allotment money. Then what amount will be received? 1 lakh allotment first call money due, and 1,000 share already does not pay the first call. On one share 2, on 1,000, 2,000 share does not pay the allotment money. Then money received 98,000. Then money will receive 98,000. Bank account debit to share allotment to share first call account. To share first call account. Because cash book are prepaid, then cash and bank entry will not be passed. Next, share final call account debit. To share capital account. On one share 1, on 50,000 50,000. Now money will receive. 1,000 shareholder does not pay the first call. Money due 50,000. On one share 1 money not 1 rupee not received on 1,000 shares. 1,000 share will not be received. Then 1,000 will be less. 49,000 rupees will be received. Bank account debit to share final call account. To share final call account. 49,000. These shares were forfeited. Share capital account debit. On one share Called up 10 on 1000, 10,000. What amount will not receive? Allotment, first and final. And allotment money will be taken from the table 2500, not multiplied by 4. It will taken from here. To share allotment account, 2500. To share first call account, 2000. To share final call account, 1000. To share forfeiture account, 4500. Out of this, 600 share will be issued as fully paid on 8 per share. Then bank entry, bank amount used 4800 on one share, 600 share 4800. Fully paid what is used, then your share capital will be made by face value, that is 10. To share capital account, 6000. Dear students, bank debit, bank will become through the cash book. To share capital account, 4800. Here, share forfeiture account debit. Forfeiture account debit 1200. Bank, because cash book is paid, bank entry will not be passed. Share forfeiture account debit. Then share forfeiture, share capital will be credit 1200, because cash book are paid. Those share will be reissued. The remaining share forfeiture transfer to capital is there. Forfeit 1000, reissue 600. On 1000 share forfeiture, 4500. On one share forfeiture, 4500 divided by 1000, 600 reissue. On 600 share forfeiture, 4500 divided by 1000 into 600. Result 27,000, 2700, out of which 1200 will be used. That will be minus from it. Result 1500. It will be transferred to capital here. Share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve account. To capital reserve account 1500. Here cash book will be completed. Total 003 16 19 25 for 429 3 6 15 19 314. I balance CD. Here total 4,99,300. 4,99,300. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.